Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to use the new Encanto palette from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm sure we've all seen it by now. I'm actually on the late show, but here is the palette. I think it's so pretty. I'm loving this color story. So I did want to play with it today and get ready, like I said. In the meantime, go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to start off by priming, and I'm going to use the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. Moving on with foundation, I'm going to use this one from Smashbox. This is the Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear. Okay, I actually did mess up. I meant to go in with the eyeshadow first, but it is what it is. I have my foundation on. I am going to add just a little bit of concealer to my lids. I'm going to use the Maybelline Magic Eraser. And I'm going to blend that out with this Morphe brush. I'm going to go in and set my eyelids with this Hourglass translucent setting powder. Just my eyelids because I actually messed up and put my foundation first. And I don't want my foundation to get too dry because I am planning on going in with cream blush. So just tapping that on my lids very gently, very softly. And now for the eyes, I am going to go in with... such a cute name. Okay, I'm gonna go in first with Jaguar Parking, which is this brown one right here. And I'm going to use this fluffy brush. This is a Morphe brush. And I'm just gonna go in the crease of my eyelids. Next, I'm going to use this flat brush from Luxie, and I'm going to pick up, I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up Vine Time, which is this green right here. I think I want to try to make a line right at the crease. I don't know, I'm winging it, just bear with me and see how it looks. So that brush didn't work out too well. I'm going to switch it to this Lavish pencil brush. I think I got this one in a BoxyCharm. And I'm going to go in with the same shade Vine Time and blend that out just a little bit. So all I'm doing here is going back in with the first shade, Jaguar Parking. It's not looking how I thought it was going to look. So I'm just blending this out a little bit, no worries. So I am blending the brown and the green together in my crease. And then I'm going in with a little bit more of the Vine Time shade. And I'm trying to drag that green a little bit down on my lid, just to cover the lid instead of just doing this single line like for whatever reason I started off doing. So that's where I'm at now. And once I get that to where I want it to be, I am going to go in with one of the shimmer shades. I'm just not sure which one yet, but I need to get this green situated first. I think I'm done for now with those two colors. I'm going to go in with, I don't know why I said it like that. But next I'm going to go in with the shade Casita, which is this super cute one right here. Oh, it's really soft. It's this one. Let me see. And I'm just going to put that in the center of my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right there with my eyes and move on to my face. I am gonna use this Rare Beauty blush. I've been waiting. I don't know what's taking me so long to buy these products, but anyway, this is from Rare Beauty in the shade Nearly Neutral. So pretty, and I'm so excited. And I was gonna go in with my beauty blender, but they're dirty. It's actually kind of weird starting off with blush because I usually do go in with bronzer first. I think I messed up. I should have done my concealer first, but that's okay. Okay. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to go in with this True Blend Undercover Concealer from CoverGirl, which is this one. Now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to use the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. I'm going to pick up this little brush from Real Techniques and just dab under my eyes just to make sure that they don't crease before I can set the rest of my face. Now I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques powder brush and pick up what's left and set the rest of my face. Next, I'm going to go in with this bronzer from NARS. This is in the shade Laguna. And I'm going to be using this stippling brush. Next, I'm going to go in with this Sonia Kashuk stippling brush and just blend the bronzer out. I know that I've already set the blush, but that's okay. I'm going to go in with just a tiny bit of blush. This is Dandelion from Benefit, this little pink one right here. And I'm just going to add a little bit. And a little bit to my nose. So that's it for the face. I'm going to go ahead and set it now, and I'm going to use the Smashbox primer water. This is the Photo Finish primer water. Yeah. Next for brows, I'm going to use this one from Rare Beauty, and mine is in the shade Cool Brown. I'm going to go in with highlighter, and this is the Araceli Tequila Highlighter con Agave in the shade Blanco. And this is what this one looks like. This is my current favorite. Actually, I have two, but this is one of my current favorites. I'm going to hit the high points. So shiny. And I hit the tip of my nose. A little bit on my forehead, on my chin. And another trick that you can do if you're wearing a shirt like this where you show this area, you can add highlighter to your collarbone just to give it that extra shine, and a little bit on your shoulders. See, here's with and without. Now this one is a little bit darker. I didn't realize this one's a little bit darker for my skin, but that's okay. I'm gonna go in with this brush and just blend it out a little bit. Duh. Now that my lashes are prepped and ready to go, I am going to use these by Tres Luce, and these are in the style Fantasy. Next, I'm going to go in with the dark roast eyeliner from Dose of Colors, and I'm going to put this on my waterline. I'm going to go back into the Encanto palette and pick up the Jaguar Parking one more time and put that on my lower lash line. And this is with a Moda smudger brush. I'm gonna go back in with Vine Time. I'm gonna use the same brush and just add a little bit of that green on top of the brown that I just put down. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with Dulce from Alamar Cosmetics. And finally, I'm gonna go in with Jacqueline Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Confidence. You'll have to show a little bit of confidence. And I am gonna just put a little bit, not too much. Not too much, and I do my whole lip. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love the way everything came out. They just blended so well, and I cannot wait to use the rest of them. I'm actually really liking the Porque I Can and Encanto, which is these two right here. Porque I Can and Encanto right here. I'm really liking these. Actually, also I'm liking Colombia. So I do recommend picking this up. I know I'm on the late show, but it is what it is. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.